Alright, so let's take a closer look at this absolutely insane Brabus Adventure 4x4. You can see that this car is ready to be taken off-road. There is a huge light bar up on the roof right there. Brabus daytime running lights, carbon fiber roof, huge matte black frame, extremely big tires right here. There's a electric winch from Brabus. This car retails for about 460,000 euros, so it's a bit cheaper than the G900. The engine is modified to produce 550 horsepower and 800 newton meters of torque. Not as good as the G900, but still, I think it's enough to have fun. Brabus Adventure 4x4 from the detail. You can see covers for the signals, covered for headlights, Brabus winch with front row. Huge tires, carbon fiber bits right here. Rolls-Royce like star ceiling or headliner, and black leather with purple stitching all around the car makes it look really special. And let's take a look into the back. You can see that there are only 2 seats, and in the middle is center console, and again starlight ceiling, the roof rack. There's the intake for the engine, a bit higher, but of course with Brabus logo, so you can cross deep water in this car. And again, guarded taillight, guards right here, and the Brabus sports bumper, extremely wide. It's extremely wide car with these huge tires as well. And then there's the 4x4 wheel cover, which is of course huge, with this nice leather handle, so you don't have to grab it by the steel tube. And then right on the roof rack there are 2 high power LED light bars, so you can see